Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed with your credentials or your social media account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, the nature of the Pinterest website is that every time you come back into your account, based on the categories that you have selected, you will see a new set of images on your dashboard. You can try hitting the refresh button on your web browser to find various different images based on your interest. But if you still wish to search manually, then you can click on the search box at the top section, which is a very large search box. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can type in anything that you wish to see. Just type in your desired search query and press enter, and now you will see various different search results based on your search query. You can also click on the filter at the right side and then choose from all pins or simply your own. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the search feature on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.